Hello families, this is Mrs. Gregoire. I am going to share with you how you can find your students' grades. So I am a parent as well, and I'm actually using my child's Google Classroom to demonstrate. And I like to see how my child is doing, and I thought it would be appropriate to make a short video to show you how you can find your students' grades and what they have been doing while we are remotely learning or learning anytime, anywhere. So your student will need to go into their classroom. Here you can see there's all sorts of classrooms. We have art, we have music, we have PE. Mrs. Wilson's class is labeled Wilson 4th grade work plan, Wilson 3rd grade work plan. My classrooms are labeled 4th grade 2019-20 or 3rd grade 2019-20. They will know how to find that. That is where all their work is. So I'm going to click on my daughter's classroom. I then need to hit classwork. And after classwork, this appears. View your work is where we want to go. With view your work, you have filters here. I want to see the ones that are returned with grade. And so now I can see all the assignments that have been returned and graded and how many points she scored. So she received 7 out of 7, 15 out of 15, 8 out of 8, 100 out of 100, 9 out of 10, 98 out of 100. So I can scroll down and see all of the work that she has done and what her point values or her grades have been. Another good filter is missing. If I click on missing, it will show me any work that she has not turned in. Currently, she has turned everything in, so this is empty. So again, returned with grade will show me all of her grades. I will quickly go through this one more time. So when you open up Google Classroom, you see all sorts of classes here. It is important to look at the title. This is where my daughter's work is. I go to classwork. I go to view your work and return with grade. Here are all of her assignments that are returned with grade. I hope that this video was helpful. Please reach out to Mrs. Wilson or Mrs. Gregoire for any questions you may have.